Mr. Talbot here for you. We're ready to kind of kick off our sixth week of your virtual world history class. Really important week in world history this week because you're going to be finishing up Unit 1, and that includes the Unit 1 test. So this is going to kind of go over the test taking procedure as well as kind of the last part of the topic 1.4 assignment. So if you think back to last week, where we spent most of our time was doing the topic 1.4, where you made a presentation, you compared and contrast feudalism to modern American society. Part of that last bit is to post to the Flipgrid, and you can get to the Flipgrid through the assignment. So the join code is in the actual topic 1.4 assignment. To give you a sense of what that looks like, this is what we worked on last week. And then in the step 2 part B, you're going to find the Flipgrid information. So again, you should be using your presentation as you do it, kind of as part of your script or so. Then you're going to see you should spend some time studying for the Unit 1 exam. Things that are going to help with that would be your study guide, obviously your notes, and then within each topic there in that green folder there's a check for understanding quiz. Those are great practice review questions, so please take advantage of all of that. When you take the multiple choice test, remember you're allowed to use notes on it. You are allowed more than one attempt, so if you attempt it the first time and you don't like your score, you're allowed to take it a second time. And then that study should hopefully be finished up by the middle of this week. And then I would carve out about an hour of the latter half of this week to kind of start going back, checking through your assignments from Unit 1, look at the scoring guides for the scores you got, look at the comments that I left on those documents. And if you want to make any revisions, any changes, take some time this week to do that, to kind of raise your score. A big part of online class is going to be having to revise things that you didn't do so great on the first time. Maybe you're still learning a new skill or the material, or you just misunderstood the assignment. That's normal and to be expected. So you want to be taking some time this week to be doing some revisions. We're also going to spend a little bit of time next week doing some revisions, as well as getting into our Unit 2. So hopefully you guys have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget, we do have office hours on Wednesdays, since that's usually the best day for many of you.